Hello everyone, myself Vaibhavi. Welcome to my channel Beginner to Developer. In the previous video, we have seen that how to use while statements in C language. It is same in C++ as well as Java language. Let's see how to use these while statements in C# as well as Python language in today's video. In the previous video, link is given in the description below. Please watch it before this video because it will be helpful for today's session also. So let's start today's session. That is how to use while statements in Python language. Here is a Python programming example. So I have initialized the variable I with the value 1 initially. Then I have used while keyword and then this is a condition. Then we have to use colon operator for this particular while statement. Then these are the statements will be executed if this condition is true. Then whenever this condition fails, it will not come out inside this particular loop and it terminates the execution of the loop. Then it will print this value. So here initially the value of I is 1. So 1 is less than 3. The condition is true. So it will print the value as 1 in the output screen. Then it increments the value of I, that is I is equal to I plus is equal to 1. It is a shorthand operator. Then I value will be 2 in this first iteration itself. Then it will go for the second iteration and it checks the value of I. 2 is less than 3. So it will come inside this loop and prints the value as 2. Then it increments once again, it increments the value, that is I plus is equal to 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. So it will go for the third iteration, that is it checks whether 3 is less than 3. No, the condition is false because 3 is not less than 3. It will come out of this while loop. Then it prints this value, that is after coming out of the while loop, the value of I is 3 because in the second iteration itself we have incremented the value of I as 3. So it will print the value of I as 3 in the in this print statement. So this is about how to use how to use while statements in Python. We will see how to use it in C# language. This is a C# programming example. So namespace name, then class name, void main is a inbuilt function. Then I have declared a variable I and it is initialized with the value 0. It is 0 is less than 5. Yes, this is a while condition. Then it checks whether 0 is less than 5. Yes. So instead of print statement, we are using console.writeline in C# language. So it prints the value. In this first iteration, it prints the value as 0. Then I plus it increments the value of I. The value of I is 1 now. 1 is less than 5. Yes, it will come inside this loop and prints the value of I as 1 here. Then once again it increments the value, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 is less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. Once again it prints the value of I, that is 2 here. Then it increments the value of I, that is 3. 3 is less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. So it prints the value of I, that is 3 here. Then once again it increments the value, that is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 is less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. So console.writeline I, that means the value is printed as 4. Then 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 is less than 5. No, this condition is false now. So it will not execute these statements. Therefore I is not printed on the screen because 5 value is not printed on the screen because it will come out of this while loop and terminates the execution. Therefore from 0 when it is I is less than 5, that means from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 it will be executed. So it is printed on the screen, and 5 when it comes to the value 5 is not less than 5. So it will not come inside this while loop and it will terminate the execution. So this is about how to use while statements in Python as well as C# language. We have seen all these languages, that is C, C++, Java, Python as well as C# language, how to use while statements in these language. In the next video, we will see how to use do while statements in these languages. Thank you all.